was about to start my day. She laying there across me, so I stayed anyway. Arms tied, legs numb, wrapped around my knee. Sweetest of the sunflowers, yeah, you're a son to me. Welcome back everyone with another acoustic tutorial. Today we'll be covering Son to Me by Zach Bryan. If you like these videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like to do that. You know, you don't have to, but I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I release a video every single Monday, a tutorial, so make sure to also turn on the notifications so that you can get those, you know. You get notified when I release that video and you can learn along with me. Now that the intro is out of the way, let's actually get started. The capo is not used in this song, so you can just put it off to the side. You don't need it this time. The chords. The chords we'll be using are A minor, G, C, and F. You can choose between what F you want to do. You can either bar it, or just do this, which is sort of like a C, but you bring down the middle and ring finger down one set of strings. Now, the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern, you can look at other YouTube videos and they can tell you what the strumming pattern is, but this is what I like to use, so hopefully you like it as well. I think it sounds similar to what the actual song sounds like. It's a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I'll play that slowly with the A minor onto a G so that you can kind of see what it sounds like. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, G. So it's really simple, just a little bit long. Now, let's get on to the verse. The verse is using that strumming pattern that we just learned, and you go from the A to the G to the C, and lastly the F. So now I'll do a playthrough of the second verse so that you can see it, so you can hear it. Yeah. I don't recall what you were wearing on the first night we met. Besides a subtle cloud around you from my last cigarette, and you coming from a good place, from a happy family. The only bad you've ever done is see the good in me. Now let's do the chorus. The chorus is very similar to the verse, except the strumming pattern does change just a little bit. The strumming pattern now is a down, down, up, down, down, up. Slowly from A minor to G, it sounds like this. And secondly, the order of the chords is in reverse. This time it's F, C, G, A minor. And since it's in reverse, when you finish the verse, is that why it's called reverse? Anyways, let's get back to it. When you finish the verse, you're just gonna stay on that F until you start the chorus. Here is a playthrough of the chorus. I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord will send you on my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of the sunflowers, yeah, you're a son to me. Now, lastly, let's do some embellishments. These embellishments all come with the help of the pinky, so remember to always build up that pinky strength. Usually on the C, I will like to put the pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and also during the F chord. You can just put it on there, hammer it on, pull it off, make it sound nice using that pinky string. Pinky string? Pink E string. So, as I always do, a little playthrough of the first verse and the chorus. Here goes. 5:34, I was about to start my day. She laying there across me, so I stayed anyway. Arms tied, legs numb, wrapped around my my knee. Sweetest of the sunflowers, yeah, you're a son to me. I don't recall what you were wearing on the first night that we met, besides a subtle cloud of my last cigarette. And you come from a good place and a happy family. The only bad you've ever done is see the good in me. I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord sends you on my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of the sunflowers, yeah, you're a son to me. And so that was Son to Me by Zach Bryan. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any recommendations, any other songs that you want me to learn and teach you, make sure to comment it down below. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully you stay for next week. And yeah, have a great one.